Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So thank you so much for always stopping by. How are you all doing today? I believe you are doing fine. I believe all is well. In this channel I talk about spiritual tips, how to grow spiritually, how to help yourself spiritually. I want you to always have it in mind that spiritual is higher than the physical. There are so many things that are going on in the spiritual realm, and I believe my channel will help a lot of people. So I am Pamela. For those that are new, I am Pamela. Okay, so in today's video we're going to be talking about how you can make your spiritual lights to keep going up and up and up without quenching down. We're not talking about physical lights. This is spiritual light. Spiritual light, I mean, is your glory, your salvation, your being close to God, so that whenever you utter anything, whenever you speak, it will come to pass. When you grow spiritually, there's nothing that will harm you. No weapon formed against you shall ever prosper. Anywhere they are throwing those arrows, it will never get you. Anything you ask God, He will surely do for you. There are so many benefits that are attached with it when your spiritual life is at a very higher level. So that is what we're going to be talking today, and I'm also going to be showing you just one thing you should do. Yeah, there are many things you can do to increase your spiritual life, but I'm going to be telling you one of it, and I know it's going to help you so much. When you are very strong spiritually, no harm will come near you. No harm will come near your loved ones. You will see visions. Yeah, you will see visions. It's not only good dreams that you should be dreaming. When you are spiritually strong, even the bad dream, you will see it. Like, your dreams will be so clear, very exact. Like, God will pass through you to help people through visions and dreams, so that you can be able to help yourself in the time of temptation. Maybe you are the kind that things have been working well for you. All of a sudden, everything is coming down. You are going down gradually. That is a tempting time. It's not as if God is not watching, but you have everything in your hands. You can do it yourself if you are spiritually strong. When you are spiritually strong, your ears will be open up. When God speaks to you, you will know that it's God. When devil speaks to you, you will know that this is devil. You can get a good job. You can get a good lifetime partner. Yes. Even if you get that lifetime partner, do not expect that everything will be rosy. There will be temptations here and there. Most people, when they start seeing all those things, they will be questioning. So I'm going to use candle here. Yes, candle, to demonstrate to you how to use it the right way for your own benefits. All colors of candle has different meanings. So white candle here represents peace. It's cleansing. If you want to use it for good purpose, it will come to you. If you want to use it for bad purpose, it will come to pass. If you want to use it to hurt anyone, it will come to pass. But I don't advise that, because you have to know how to use it properly, because if not, it will backfire to you. If you are using candle for evil purpose, my dear, without being strong, without knowing how to do it, it will come back to you. If you are going to use it to harm anyone, without knowing if that person you want to do it for, is spiritually strong or not, it will come back to you, and the results will not be funny. So before you light it, you have to look for something, like a sharp object. Okay, it can be a pin, or you can use something sharp that will be able to write a name or any word. So what you have to do is to write your name, only your name. Okay, the name that is well known, that people calls you. Just write your name on one side, the left side of the candle. Let's say you are going to be standing the candle like this. Let your name be at the left side. Just write your name like this. Then the other side, you write building spiritual life, or you can write increase spiritual life. Then you light it on somewhere. So as that light is going on, do not quench it yourself. If you are going to be doing this, make sure you are at home, okay? Yes, you don't need to stay with it, forever. You just need to light it on. As you light it on, you have to go close to it and be praying, saying what you want. That you want your life, your spiritual life to increase. You want to come closer to God. And as you are doing this, ask for mercy, okay? Ask for mercy before you start anything. And thank God for everything, for your life, for everything. Because this can give you life, it can bring peace, it can purify, it can cleanse. And as this candle is burning, it's cleansing you, cleansing your spirit, cleansing your soul, cleansing your body. This is a spiritual work. Do not neglect this. It's very, very active. So you have to make sure you do it early morning or at night. If you cannot do it early morning, do it at night. So I normally love doing my midnight. I don't joke with it, but not every day. You can also do this for someone. You can do it for healing. Make sure if you have any bad thing, you always do. Those bad habits that hurt spirits and soul, you have to stop it. So that it will not be as if you are mocking God, because this is a spiritual work. You have to be clean. Yes, make sure you are not menstruating for women. If you are really serious, you want to build your spiritual life, this is not a joke. You have to do it and you see things happening. Your dreams will be clear. You remember your dreams. Even your guardian angels will be pleased with you. So that is the advantage of when your spiritual life is at a very high level. This is one of the tips, okay? It's not as if this is everything. There are many things you can do. This is one of it. Most people, they just decide to be doing fasting and prayer all the time to build their spiritual life. Yes, that one is really touching the spirit and soul when you do fasting in a genuine way. Not about some people will be doing fasting without being serious. You have to be spiritually and emotionally down. So as you light it, you be praying, saying what you want, telling God what you want. Okay? So after that, you don't have to pray until everything burns down. No. So why I said you shouldn't off the fire or the lights yourself is because it's not good spiritually. So if you know you are done praying, you can leave it on for it to be lighting. What I normally do, mostly at night, when I light the candle after praying, I just go to bed. I make sure the fan, if there's any breeze, I just turn it off, close everywhere so that it will not quench the lights. I'll go to bed. If I wake up, most times the fire is still on. But if you want to do this, make sure you are using a smaller candle so that it will be able to burn, finish, burn totally and melt. Because most people, they will just end up carrying a very big candle. If I on it at midnight, from that 12 or 1 o'clock or 2 o'clock, before daytime, everything will melt. When you are done, the wax will be remaining. You just take the wax, you can trash it out. This is just super cleansing. It repairs the spirit, soul and body greatly. It can prevent attack. So doing this, you see that there are some signs and no harm will come your way. Yes, this is just like a key to your spiritual life. This channel is about telling you what to do yourself without harming anybody, without destroying anybody, okay? And you see things happening in a good way. So thank you so much for watching. You surely be blessed. God will bless you, okay? And if you are not subscribed, kindly do so by hitting the red subscribe button. Turn on the bell so you get notified whenever I upload videos like this, okay? I will be seeing you in my next video. Remain blessed and safe. Bye.